Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jam, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. In today's video, let's try this stamping plate by KADS and its Festival 021. Now it's time to peel off that glue protective film. And now let's start stamping. After all that, you know what's next. It's time to apply top coat. If you want to check out and try out this stamping plate, the link is available on the description box below. And never forget to use my 10% discount coupon code at KADS Nail Art. It's KADS honeycrunch321. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!